Welcome to another video from A Gardner Architects. This is house plan number 1061, the Ashby. This design has incredible curb appeal. It has 2,051 square feet of living space, with 3 bedrooms and 2.5 baths. Width is 43 feet and 5 inches, and a depth of 57 feet and 9 inches. Above the garage, a bonus room provides space to grow into, and a large linen closet creates storage upstairs. A balcony divides the 2-story foyer from the great room. The formal dining room flows into the kitchen and then to the breakfast nook, whose bay window extends the space. The great room features a vaulted ceiling and a fireplace with built-in shelves on either side. Columns add elegance to the dining room, while a bay window provides plenty of natural light. The master bedroom has a large bay window as well as easy access to the covered rear porch. Columns and a metal roof add elegance to the rear of this home. The Ashby house plan is a 2-story, 2-car garage, Craftsman-inspired home that is stuffed with step-saving elements and design features we know you're going to love. Get all the information on the Ashby and see all our house plans by visiting us online. Thanks for watching.